Before you upload your next video, answer this honestly: do you know why you chose your niche? Or did you just copy what others are doing? Most YouTube channels fail because they choose the wrong niche, not because they lack talent. Welcome back to MendItTech, where we teach ethical YouTube growth and real digital skills. This is video 3 of our YouTube Mastery 2026 course, and today we're talking about one of the most critical decisions you'll ever make on YouTube: choosing the right niche. Get this wrong, and growth becomes painful. Get this right, and everything becomes easier. A niche is not just a topic. A niche is who you are helping, what problem you are solving, and why someone should watch you instead of thousands of others. Comment below if someone asks you, "What is your channel about?" Can you answer it in one clear sentence? Here's a dangerous myth: follow your passion and YouTube will work. But the reality is, the right niche sits at the intersection of 3 things. 1. Demand: people are actively searching. 2. Skill or willingness to learn. 3. Monetization potential. Which one do you already have? Demand, skill, or monetization idea? Comment 1, 2, or 3 below. In 2026, evergreen niches win long-term. Examples: education, tech and tools, problem-solving content, tutorials. Trend-based niches give fast views, but die quickly. Would you prefer slow and stable growth, or fast and risky growth? Type slow or fast in the comments. Let's be honest. No niche is too saturated. Only creators are too similar. The problem is not competition. The problem is no positioning. Ask yourself, and comment if you want, what makes your perspective different? Your language? Your experience? Your teaching style? Before committing to a niche, do this. Search your topic on YouTube. Check top videos from the last 6 to 12 months. Look at views versus subscriber count. Read comments. Are people asking questions? Try this today and comment: validated or needs work. Common niche mistakes: choosing niche only for money. Copy-paste content. Changing niche every week. Being too broad. At MendItTech, we teach focus first, expansion later. Now here's an important question. You've chosen a niche? But will people remember your channel? That's exactly what we'll cover next. If this video helped you, subscribe to MendItTech and turn on notifications. Next video on MendItTech: channel branding, name, logo and identity that people remember before you go. Answer this in the comments: what niche are you thinking about right now? This is MendItTech. We don't chase trends, we build systems.